Hello guys, welcome back again. Today we are going to go through how to pay utility on the MAXxKiosk. Come along with me. So as usual, we select our language, then we go to our banking services. Okay, and the banking services we come to utilities. Utilities here in Ghana we have two utility services and other utilities, but here we just two for example, the electricity and then water. So I want to pay my electricity for the month. I input my account number, my ECG account number, which is the electricity account number. I select enter and I select next. I select the bill for which I'm paying for, say June 24. The bill comes out. I check the amount. I'm satisfied. I select next. I input my card. My card is already inputted for the previous demonstration. I put in my PIN. I select, click on enter, and then my bill is paid with my receipt, and that's it. Thank you guys.